Hey, how's it going? Jeff here from AMZAffiliateTools.com, and as promised in my last video, I am going to be doing a ShopExpress review, and I'm going to be showing you the store builder that I use to build all of my Amazon affiliate stores. All right, so it's going to be really awesome. I think you're going to be really impressed by the features that are built in to ShopExpress, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you all around. I'm going to show you what all it comes with. I'm going to show you the features. I'm going to show you one of the sites that I just started. Um, and all that good stuff, all right? So before I get started, I wanted to let you know that if at any time during this review you want to go ahead and get access to ShopExpress and start using it to build your very own Amazon affiliate store, all you need to do is go to the description of this video. I've left you a link down there to ShopExpress, and all you need to do is click on that link and you'll be on the same page I'm on right now, okay? So with that being said, let's hop over here and check out ShopExpress, all right? Alright, so I am here on the ShopExpress sales page for the software, and it says that it cracked wide open. Web app builds instant one-click SEO optimized affiliate sites that get you autopilot Facebook traffic, content, videos, build your list, and make you sales. Alright, and so down here it has kind of the main features of this Amazon affiliate store builder, and it says it comes with a stunning premium design, viral Facebook traffic built in, 100% autopilot product publishing your affiliate links, SEO optimized, mobile responsive, done for you curated YouTube video reviews. Super awesome, right? So at first I was really skeptical and I said, man, there's no freaking way that one piece of software can do all this stuff, all right? So I had to buy a copy, right? So I got me a copy, and all you need to do is click on this orange button. It's going to take you down the page to the options that are available, okay? So you can see right here that one store license is 17 bucks. I mean, $17 for a piece of software to build you a store. That's freaking awesome. That's freaking amazing right there. 3 store license for 27 bucks, and for just under 50 bucks you can get unlimited. All right, so you get as many licenses as you want if you have the unlimited license for just under 50 bucks. I mean, how can you beat that? You can't, right? You're going to pay a web designer, like starting out, just for the web designer to do anything, basically 500 bucks, right? So you can't beat a piece of software like this. And when I show you what all it does, you're going to here, take my money, right? Here, take my money, take it, right? Because this thing is freaking awesome, all right? So when you get access to it, and I got, there were a few upgrades after this. I think there's a pro version, enterprise version. There's also a reseller version, which is pretty cool because that allows you to resell the software to other people and make 100% of the profits, right? So it's really cool. All right. Okay, so after you get access, what will happen is they'll send you out some emails. It'll be like 2 or 3 emails, and it'll have your login information for ShopExpress. You should get a password and all that good stuff to log in. That's going to take you over to the ShopExpress dashboard, okay? So over here, the first thing that I want you to pay attention to is the training that's available, okay? Because whenever I open up that training tab and I said, wow, check out all these freaking videos right here, right? So step by step video training for how to use ShopExpress, but you're not going to really need them that much because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to install ShopExpress. I'm going to show you how to set up your own store, all that good stuff. If you remember from the last video, I showed you how to install WordPress, right? How to buy a domain name, hosting, and install WordPress onto your domain name, right? I did that all live right there in front of you. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to go check out that video because you're going to want to have WordPress installed and set up, ready to go. Because ShopExpress is actually a software that we have to install to our hosting account. And we want to put it on the back end of WordPress because that's going to allow us to connect our affiliate store with our blog and have all this magical juice running and flowing and visitors coming in all at once. And it's going to be freaking awesome. Okay, I'm going to show you. So like I said, there's an entire library of training here. that shows you how to do everything that you need to know how to do with ShopExpress. Plus, I'll be putting out a ton of other videos about it. So the training's actually really good. I got through it pretty well. Um, it was super helpful in learning how to do a couple of things that I wasn't sure about. All right. Then I've put you some bonuses back here. So you've got some ShopExpress bonuses here, tons of stuff. All right. So all that's free. That all comes included whenever you get access to ShopExpress. The next thing you're going to want to pay attention to is the download section. Okay, so you'll click on downloads and then ShopExpress. This is where you're going to actually download the ShopExpress software. So you'll just click on this download button. It's going to start downloading the software for you automatically. And then once you have it installed, then you'll need to come back here and get your licensing. Okay, so once you have ShopExpress all installed and set up, let me just show you real quick. This is the type of store that you can build. And this is one of my stores that I started putting up right before I had surgery. And I thought I was going to get to do some hiking this summer. I live about 30 minutes from the Great Smoky Mountains. So I do a lot of hiking. It's one of my favorite hobbies. It's great to get up there and escape from everything. But I won't tell you too many stories about that right now because we're doing this ShopExpress review. All right, so the first thing that you'll notice here when you come to the site is that it has these sliders that you can use, and you can change out the images anytime that you want. You can use your own custom images. You can get free images, and I'll show you how to do all that good stuff. And then you have your categories up here at the top. You also have a drop down with your categories in them here, and people can search your store for anything that they're looking for. All right. And so here you can see the backpacks. So you can see the backpacks I've added to my store. I think I've only added like 30 or so. Like I said, I didn't get to finish this one. I actually had an accident and found out I had to have surgery. So I'm just back off surgery right now. It's been 6 weeks since my surgery, so doing pretty well, all things considered. But what happens is when people they can view the product or they can buy it straight from your homepage there. Then if they click to view the product, this is what they come to. You got the title of the product, the description. You've got images over here that automatically scroll. You can add tags if you want to, and it automatically pulls YouTube videos, reviews of the product of the page that the people are on. So that's freaking awesome. And then it has related products down here. So let's say they said, you know what, I'm not really interested in this backpack, but they got all the way down here, then they can see backpacks that are related to this one, which is really cool. But if they decide, hey, you know what, this looks really cool, this is exactly what I'm looking for, I'm going to click on this Buy Now button, and click on the Buy Now button, and they'll take them over to Amazon, where they can add the item to their cart and complete their purchase and all that good stuff, okay? And that's when you get the commission, is whenever they click on that link, they come over here, they add stuff to their cart. You not only get a commission on this backpack, but let's say they went shopping and bought like tents and lanterns and all kinds of stuff because they're having like a big family reunion camp out or something like that, right? So say they came over here, they said, all right, this is a cool backpack. While I'm over here, I just remembered I need to get all this stuff for this family reunion we're having. Let me go ahead and grab that tent and stuff. Well, you're going to get commission on that as well. So that's super awesome. That's just how the Amazon affiliate program works, which is the power in it for us affiliates who want to really generate a lot of commissions, okay? So like I said, you're going to they're going to come over here, and it's already coded with your affiliate ID in the link. So Amazon knows who to credit the sale to. And then also, as far as I know, ShopExpress can be used worldwide. So no matter if you're in India or some other country, Canada, UK, anywhere that has an Amazon affiliate program, you'll be able to use the ShopExpress software, which is really, really awesome. Okay, so now that you've seen a little bit of what type of store you can build, how the store looks, all that good stuff, let's head over and take a look at the dashboard, and I'll show you some of the features and how easy this thing really is to use. Like I said, I was really skeptical that this thing could build a store for me that looks this good as fast as it can, but it actually does. All right, so Let's head over to the dashboard here. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And like I said, I'm using the Pro version, the Enterprise version. These are all upgrades that you'll get introduced to after you buy your the license option that you want. Okay, so if you're going to get the single, 3-store, or unlimited license, that's what you need to do first. And then you'll be able to get the Pro version and Enterprise version, which adds extra features to the software. Okay, so I think with the you have to have the Enterprise version. You can actually make money with the eBay affiliate program and the AliExpress affiliate program. Okay, so you can post products for those affiliate programs the same way you can with Amazon. Okay, I just choose to use it solely for Amazon just to try to keep my stuff separate. Okay, all right, so let's take a look over here on the left first. This is going to be your sidebar. And so we're on the dashboard now, and like I said, you can see all your stats up here at the top. So you'll be able to see how many products you have, how much traffic, and how many affiliate hits. And guys, here's what's cool about this. I went and had surgery. I put this site up, then I went and had surgery, right? Haven't even finished the site yet, and it's already getting traffic. It's already got 231 visitors to the product pages, 16 clicks on the buy now button. I mean, just incredible results for not even telling anybody this site exists. Okay, so imagine how good it's going to do whenever I actually start sending traffic to it and start promoting the site and telling Google it exists and telling YouTube it exists and telling Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. It's going to be crazy. All right, but I have way more stores than this. So what I do is I basically copy and paste everything from store to store to store. So once you learn how to set this up one time, you just do it over and over and over again. That's why I highly recommend the unlimited license, because it allows you to build as many stores as you want to and just keep repeating this process so that your affiliate commissions really start to stack up. Okay, so when you get you a lot of stores going, then that's when the income starts flowing in. All right, so you've got store design. So we'll take a look at that, and these are going to be your themes. Okay, so this is just basically going to change the color of the store. So you can see now that it's got kind of a orange button here, kind of an orange layout to it. But let's say I want to change that. Okay, let's say I want to change it to hot pink just for the heck of it. All right, save that. So I just choose hot pink. Let me go over here and refresh this, and boom, now I have hot pink. So you can switch out the themes anytime you want to. I really like going with the orange theme. So that's the one I use, and I think that you get more theme options with the Pro version, which is why I chose the Pro version, because it sticks with all your stores. So let's say I'm in a feminine niche, for example, not like feminine products or anything, but just like a feminine niche. I don't know, like beauty supplies or something, right? Hair straighteners or something. I don't know. But maybe I want a pink theme then. It gives me way more customization options to have the Pro version. So you get all these extra themes plus the extra features that come along with the Pro version. If you want me to do like a review of the Pro version, Enterprise version, which I don't know if you would be interested in that or not, but I will. Just let me know in the comments below. I'll do a review on them. I just the features are all it just really unlocks extra features is all it does. But you're also able to create your own custom logo. You'll have to do that, off-site. Like I did mine in Canva, which is a free editing software, image editing software. So you can do, create your own logo. I just use something generic here. And then you can have a favicon, which is this little picture up here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but in the browser tab, just a little picture up there. And then yeah, you can have those built into your site there. So we can go back here, and this is the way my logo shows up. I can create something a little better than that, a little bigger than that, but I'm not going to invest that type of time or money into a logo until I actually know if my store is going to produce revenue or not, right? So that's a way that you can save costs right up front. All right. So you also have those slider images that I was telling you about and showed you right here. All right, so these are your sliders. Let me get rid of that hot pink. It's just throwing me off. So these are your slider images here. You could put text and buttons on there. Very, very easy to do. So when you first come to the slider tab, it's going to be turned off. You just need to turn that on. And then you choose how you want it to rotate. So as you notice, these are kind of transitioning as they go away. That's the horizontal, slide horizontal with rotation. You have slide vertical, slide horizontal, and slide vertical with rotation that you can use as well. So for your images, you can upload images right here, and those are going to be, of course, your slider images. This backpack, for example, is just an image that I uploaded right here. And then the box, so the box right there on that slide, let's see if I can get some arrows up here. There, right here. So this box here with the main headline, sub headline, and button. So we've got our main headline here, our sub headline, and you can customize the colors, the sizes, and all that good stuff with your headlines. And then we have our button text here and where I actually want that link to go. So whenever people click on the Shop Now button, I want them to go to the day packs category, okay? So let me get back to that real quick. All right, so I can have sliders on my home page that lead people to whatever category that I want them to go to, which is really, really cool. All right. All right, so and that's basically it. You can have two of those buttons and have them both on the same slide if you want to. I just choose to use one. I think two is just probably a little bit overkill. But you can do that for 5 slides. All right, so that's really, really easy to do. What we have next, we have a banner ad. Now, if you get the enterprise version, you're going to be able to put banner ads in your product pages. All right, so that means if you're like in a niche where you have other affiliate programs that have products that would fit into your niche, right? So like ClickBank is a good example. Let's say for this one, for my hiking backpacks website, I might promote a survivalist guide or some type of outdoor type of guide that they have on ClickBank, or maybe get a free tactical knife or flashlight or something like that, right? I can put that banner right here in my store. Okay, so I can upload my own image here, so that would be the image of the banner that I want to use, and then put my affiliate link in right here and just push apply. Now that banner is going to show up in every single page that I have, right? So every single one of these pages. And let me see if I already have, I don't think I have a banner in here. Alright, so yeah, I don't have a banner ad, but it would show up like right around in here, I think, or maybe right here. But that's where your banner ad would show up. Really, really cool feature because it allows you to build multiple streams of income inside of one store, which is really awesome. Alright, and then you have your legal pages, and these are just, you know, your terms and conditions, your privacy policy, all that good stuff. I think that's all for store design. All right, so next you have your ad product. So like I was saying before, if you get the enterprise version, you'll have access to promote eBay and AliExpress products along with Amazon products. All right, so to add a product is very, very simple, and this is the cool part that's actually going to blow your mind. All right, so what I can do here, if I want to add another product, right, is I can type in hiking backpack. All right, so I'm just going to put that keyword in, hiking backpack, and see what comes up. All right, so it's going to bring me up all of these different backpacks here. Some of them I've already added to my store. If I've already added them, there's not going to be a little box right here. But if I haven't added them yet, they're going to show up right here. And what I can do from here is I can get the title, the price, all that good stuff. I can actually view detail. Will open up the Amazon page. So the page that the backpack is on, it'll actually open up that page so that I can get a more in-depth look at the product before I put it in my store. But let's say I've already done all that and I just want to add some stuff to my store, right? All I need to do is put check marks next to the boxes here that I want to add backpacks for the backpacks that I want to add, right? Okay, so I'm going to just check that. Yeah, we'll even check this. Okay. and then I can select my category. Okay, so for your categories, you're going to have to set those up under products, I believe. Yep, products right here, and we'll get to that here in just a second. It's really easy to do, but you'll just select your category. So I'm gonna pick day packs and casual bags. I think most of those fall into that category. All right, and then I can publish now, or I can schedule these to be published at a later date, right? So if I want to schedule up like 10 products a day to go out and I want to hand select those products, I can just pick later, and then I can say, hey, I want to post them tomorrow, okay? And then publish them, and then publish, and it's going to post those products tomorrow, all right? But I want to publish these now because I want to show you an example. All right, let's go back to our home page here. Alright, so remember this was the first backpack here. Alright, now I'm going to hit publish. And products imported successfully, so I'll go back over to my home page and refresh that real quick. And voila, now all of these pages have automatically been created for me. So I got 8 new backpacks in my store in the category I want them to be in that people can go check out right now. Okay, so these are already coded up to my Amazon affiliate ID. Like I said, if people click the buy now button, you'll be able to find your affiliate ID by looking for tag equals. So boom, there's my affiliate ID right there. And so Amazon knows to send me the money for that sale. Okay, so that's how quick and easy it is to add products to your store. All right, so like you've seen, all I did was go over here. I searched for a keyword, and then it brought up these backpacks. I put a check next to the in the boxes that I wanted to post products from, and then I simply pushed the publish button, and it went out and built those 8 pages for me automatically and added them to my store. So I didn't have to spend hours and hours of my time doing this myself. I didn't have to pay a web designer to go out and build all these pages for me. It just automatically did it. And what's even better is all of these buy now buttons are coded up to my affiliate ID. Really super awesome. I hope you guys really grasp that, okay? Because that is, to me, the most powerful benefit of this software is that it creates those pages that quickly, and they're already coded up. There's nothing else for me to do except send traffic to them, okay? All right, so that's our products tab. That's how easy it is to add a product. Then I can see all the products in my store in one place. All I need to do is go under the all products, under the products tab. I'll be able to see all the products in my store and edit them if I choose to. Okay, so I can click on this little edit button over here. It's going to allow me to edit the title, the description, the category, SEO settings, the tags, the images, the YouTube videos, everything that I want. Okay, so I can do that for each individual product if I want to, or I can just leave it the same. All right, so that's our all products category whatever thing there. You also have a trash can here, so let's say I wanted to mass delete a bunch of stuff. I just put a check in the check all box and then hit that garbage can, and that's going to delete all of the backpacks in my store. And then if I wanted to just individually delete them, I can just click on the trash can over here. Okay. All right, so let's go to our categories. Those are really easy to set up. So you can see here that I can turn the categories on or off if I want them to show up in the front up here. So if I turn them off, then it's going to turn all of those categories off. There we go. So you can't see those anymore. And I can turn them right back on if I choose to. All right, and to add a new category, all we need to do is click on the Add Category button. We can put in the category title, description, the meta title, meta description, and keywords for that category, and then add the category. Super simple to do. So that's how you would add new categories, and then I showed you how to turn them on and off already. Then we have our tags. So I typically don't use these, but it's a good feature to have if you have like multiple products that people want to be able to easily find. All you need to do is click on add tag, and you just put the tag in here. So if I wanted to do like day packs, just day pack. And I wanted to add that tag, then whenever I'm adding products, I can tag them as, hey, these are day packs. And then when somebody clicks on that tag, it's going to pull up all of the products that I have use that tag on. Okay. All right, so that is our products category. Now the next cool thing is really, really awesome as well, because this is going to allow you to have products posted to your store automatically, which is really awesome. Okay, so let's see here. To set up an automation is very simple. All you need to do is click on the Add Automation button, choose Amazon, all category. I can pick day pack, and I want one post per day starting tomorrow and ending at the end of the month. Okay, you can choose the duration that you want. You can tell it to start today and end next week, or end next month, or end next year if you want to. Okay, it's going to post one product per day that they find under day pack, and it's going to post it to the day packs category. Okay, so I just choose the category here. Like I was saying before, if I want to use that day pack tag, I can use that right there and apply. Simple as that. It don't get much easier than this. You're just clicking buttons, right? You're clicking buttons. I've been clicking buttons for about 20 minutes now or so, and I've got this store up here and going. All right, so that's automation. You can also do social automation. I don't get into any of the automated social stuff, but if you want it, it's there. You can automatically have products posted to Facebook in Facebook groups. It'll go out and find groups for you, all that good stuff, and it'll post links back to your store from those groups. So it's a really good traffic strategy. I just don't do it, and when I do it, I do it manually. But I'll be showing you some really cool traffic strategies in upcoming videos. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you'll be able to catch those. Like I said, if you want it, it's there. You have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, a bunch of different social networks that you can read about over here on the ShopExpress website. And like I said, if you want to get access to ShopExpress, there's a link in the description of this video. It'll take you straight over there to ShopExpress so that you can get your copy. All right. Then you can check out your stats, so you can see an overview of your stats here. This is going to tell you which of your products is getting the page hits, which is visitors to your page. Which one of them are getting the affiliate clicks? Like this one must have came from the home page because they didn't even go to the page, so they must have just clicked straight on the Buy Now button from the home page, which is really awesome. All right. That means they found exactly what they were looking for. But you can see the individual products that are getting, published, and the drafts that you have, all that good stuff. And you can see the product hits, so you can see your traffic up and down, up and down. And that's all for stats, okay? So then you have your settings. This is your business profile. I don't typically mess with that either. Because I don't really want people to have my information just sitting around on the website, so I typically leave that out. You do what you want to with it. All right, and then this is your affiliate settings. So if you're going to do eBay and AliExpress, you'll want to put in your information for those over here, as well as your Amazon. And then you have your social settings. So like I said before, you've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube that you can set up in here. And all you'll need to do is put in your client ID, client secret, all that good stuff, whatever it asks for your Facebook apps and all that good stuff. All right, and then you have your cron job. Now this is what's going to make the automation possible, and all you need to do is go and install this one line of code. And so in my ShopExpress installation video that I'm going to have coming up, then I'll show you how to do this cron job. It's really, really easy. Okay, and then that's it for settings. So the next thing you have is SEO. We're almost done. I promise. All right. Let me just turn my camera off real quick because it is saying that I'm out of space. Okay. All right. So For your SEO settings, you have your homepage SEO that you can do. You can put in your website name, title, description, tags, all that good stuff. You could put in product page, how you want your title to be displayed, your archive page, your title settings, XML sitemap, RSS feed, webmaster settings, and analytics. And if you're brand new to all this stuff, don't let this stuff intimidate you. If you don't know what to do, only do the homepage. That's the simplest bet, okay? Because the rest of it's really taken care of for you. So just put in the title of your site, your description, all that good stuff, tags relating to your site, and then you're done with SEO, all right? And then you have your SMO, which is your social media. So if you have a Facebook page, Twitter page, all that good stuff set up for your site, or if you plan to in the future, you can put those links here so that people visiting your store will be able to find you on your social pages as well. So that's a good benefit. And then you have your design options, so you'll be able to choose how you want your social share buttons to be laid out. What design you want, and then you can choose which ones to turn on and off right here. I turn all of them on because, hey, what can it hurt, right? All right, so that is everything on the left side of our toolbar. I think the only thing here is if you get a message from your contact page, you'll be able to find your messages here. You can change your password, enter your license key, check for updates. That is one thing that I left out in the beginning. One thing that you'll want to do when you first log in is make sure you check for updates. If you have any, just click on the button. It'll be over here. And all you'll need to do is click on update or whatever it says and let it run for a second. If it acts like it gets stuck, just hit refresh. That update will be installed and you'll be good to go. Just do that until there's no updates left over here. That way you'll be able to avoid any problems that you might run into. All right. So with that, I'm going to send you off to grab your copy of ShopExpress now. All right. So click on the link in the description of this video, and that's going to take you over to the ShopExpress website where you're going to be able to get instant access to ShopExpress and build your very own Amazon affiliate store very quickly and very easily, even if you're a beginner. Okay, so I hope that this review of ShopExpress has been very helpful to you. I hope that it's been useful to you. I hope that I've showed you everything that I can possibly show you about ShopExpress in this review. Okay. I can tell you just from my personal experience that I have done very, very well with my ShopExpress websites and stores, whatever you want to call them. It's just a store building software, but I have done very, very well with them. Okay. And the key ingredient really is that ShopExpress builds very beautiful stores, with the slider feature, with the ability to customize your logo. You can see, the layout is very nice. It's very easy for people to find what they're looking for very quickly. As you've seen, that one person who clicked on that backpack or whatever. I guess it was a backpack. That's pretty much all I have here, I think. Um, but they clicked on it straight from the homepage. They didn't even go to the visit page. But if they would have, it's a really nicely laid out page with the title, description, images, related videos, related products, all that good stuff sitting there for them. Makes it easy for them to buy. Okay, so the fact that it builds pages as quickly as it does and they're already coded up to my Amazon affiliate link saves me a ton of time, and I can build a lot of these stores very, very quickly. All right. So in the beginning, you're not going to want to build a lot of stores. You're going to want to focus on one store, maybe two, but focus on one until you start seeing some success with that store, and then roll it over and build another one, and then build another one, and just keep going until you are able to really get some momentum going and get some income coming in. All right. But like I said, I love ShopExpress. I've been using it for a while now. I've built a ton of stores with the ShopExpress software, and there are a couple glitches that come up every now and then, but it's not problems that can't be solved, and it's not anything that you wouldn't find in any other software, right? With software, there's going to be problems every once in a while. It can just be expected, right? Even your computer or phone or stuff like that, they're all software, and they have their own problems every once in a while too. So just kind of keep that in mind. I don't foresee you running into anything. As you can see, I use the software flawlessly. Um, while I was doing this ShopExpress demo for you. So I think that you'll be able to see the same success that I am seeing with my ShopExpress stores as well. All right. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything I can help you with, all you need to do is leave me a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, that's all I can possibly tell you about ShopExpress. I love it. Several of my clients are in love with it. And I have a free Amazon affiliate training course that a few thousand students go through. They all love it, so they're all getting really good results with it. So if you want to get access to my free training course, all you need to do is go down to the link in the description of this video, click on that button. It'll take you over to where you can get instant access to my free training course. But other than that, I can't really tell you any more about ShopExpress. So I hope that you've enjoyed this ShopExpress review, and I'm going to see you tomorrow, where I'm going to show you how to install ShopExpress and really get this thing going. And then pretty soon we're going to start talking about traffic. All right. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.